Hello, welcome all. Thank you for subscribing and clicking the bell icon for your updates. And today we are going to talk about tools for clay modeling. Tools. What are the tools available for modeling or pottery for sculpting? Any area, what is the tool? As I say, axe blade. The axe blade. It's available in all the building material shop or the hardware shops. You will get it. This axe blade is one of the finest tool as per my concern, because this can make the clay equal. I do not know. This clay surface is equal. I do not know. But when I use axe blade, it says. You see, there are a lot of areas the blade is not touched. Then one direction of the blade, then I use another direction of the blade. So when I do similar 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, then I can take in some excess clay, I can fill the gap, then I can do again, Then now see, the blade is reached all the area. Now what I do, the axe blade, I just turn back side of the blade, I just clean it up, and then I just make smoother. Within 1 minute, your clay is become very smoother. Can you see that? It's a wonderful tool. What is this called? Axe blade, axe blade. Okay. Let us talk about the other tools. The other major tools, one is called wooden tool. See the packet? Wooden tool. Every tool has got small corners. Some can work it for making the eyes, making so many features. We cannot explain which tool and work where. As per my concern, you can create your own tool by taking the ice cream sticks, carve it and make it your own tool. So every tool going to use for all the things. Now, I am going to explain every tool, how I can use the tool. See, textures will be produced. You can use as a design element, decoration, carving, finishing, good finishing. Touch one drop water, then that will do a beautiful finishing. Okay, what is this called? Wooden tool. Wood tool. Okay? Okay. The next I am going to talk about the wire tool. See, all these tools has got the shape of carving. What is the use of the thing? When the clay we use, you can carve. See, I remove, carving, removing. You see, removing, carving. This is known as carving tool as well as wire tool, because in olden days we used to make with a wire, normal binding wire. We will make our tool. So that's why we say still it is wire tool, but it has got a wooden base like this. And another one name, this is called a carving tool. Carving tool. What is this tool? Wooden tool, modeling tool, basic modern wooden tool for model making, carving, removing, cutting. Wire tool, carving tool. Wire tool, common name. Next we are going to look at the pottery tools. See, in the pottery tool, if you see, there is a sponge, there is a carving tool big, there is one carving tool small. You see that? And this is called wire cutting. This wire will help to remove the clay from the base. This is called wire tool, wire cutter. You know what is this wire? This is they use for guitar, tungsten wire. This can help to cut the clay. See, it can help to cut the clay. See here, you can cut into two. Cut in the base, bottom, we can remove the clay. So wire tool, wire cutter. And this shaped blade called kidney blade. See, it's like a kidney shape. I used to say kidney blade, I don't know. Oval shaped blade. So what is the use of this? This can give the equal surfaces, clean equal surfaces. And then this tool is a very major important tool when we build a pottery inside. For example, this is your carving. Inside you can put hand and inside doing the finishing. This is a wood tool which helps to finish inside, major main tool. And for drawing or pointing something like a marker in the clay, drawing lines, we can use this pointing tool. And then we have one not much sharp, but little sharp, very careful, sharp knife which can cut the clay and remove the other article. So see, in the pottery tool, they keep modeling tool, one tool, carving tool, two tool, sponge, and then one wood tool and wire. This is become a pottery tool. The pottery tool means we use it in the electrical wheel. Okay, and we have one more tool sets. There are artistically modeling tool sets are there. So many tools, pointing tool, all is called modeling tool. Modeling tools. Every tool has got every one textures can be created. And this big tool is mainly for sculpturing. This tool, because this has got wire in it. This has got the back side. This has got the shape for the shaping up, modeling. So carving, modeling together in one tool. So student, anything you can use it up. The tools you can use it up. You are the artist. You have to find your textural material tools for your artwork. All the best and have a great going. Thank you.